Maybe we can track her this day. We don't know. Let's try. Ready, Mar? Let's go. USB 10.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, let's go.
Lock the door. Guess what? It's time.
For dinner? Is it dinner time?
What is that? Look, it's something. Drop it! Wait, did we drop it? I'm shooting. Wait, did we really have to eat it? In real life? No. Don't be nasty. It's stinky and choppy. Is there no blood on it? Because it's my blood.
Hey, where's the bathroom? Jay, can you take me to the bathroom?
Time to die. I'm the only dead.
Jay, get her!
I'm the only one. Mom, don't really shoot her.
Jay, run!
I can't.
I just pushed her.
I'm gonna shoot. Don't really hit her, Mom. Get down.
Vampires!
Okay, give me that. Don't hurt me. I'll make it hurt. I don't have time for this. Go to bed.
Okay. We're going.
I'll watch you two.
That's our
Brother have to turn into this monster.
Michael.
Ever again. How long is this gonna take? Wait, John. Tell me, how long is this gonna go?
Whisper, because they're going to hear it on YouTube. I don't know. Where's the...
You can't go to the bathroom.
I really have to go, actually.
Go in your pants! You know your face is gonna slip this to your mom.
No, I'm not. I'm saying on YouTube.
You don't do it.
Okay, we're going to sleep, and... Okay,
Go to sleep.
lights out. Jay, brother, go to sleep. Oh wait, I got a question. What year you was born?
1986.
So you know it's 2016. How you I have no questions. I have no questions. Do you live in this house before?
Yes. It belonged to my parents that I killed.
Your parents?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Okay, that little boy really gets up my nerves. I
Sorry.
just want to kill him.
He's sorry. He get it from him.
Maybe I will.
He get it from my brother. Actually,
I will.
I'm older. He's older, kind of oldest, but he's like the oldest. And what the fuck? What the fuck is that? Cute. Tim went to sleep. Tim pretend that made us go to sleep.
YouTube. Wait.
Pretend that let us go to sleep.
YouTube.
They used to sing.
Shut up, YouTube. I'm sorry, I just heard it in my head.
Do you used to sing in this when you when
Bingo!
oh
I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy.
Miss Annabelle, are you okay?
Tell her I'm dying.
Oh my god, Jay's dying. Oh my god, he stopped breathing. Oh my gosh, Mama's dying. you okay, miss? Jay, this is unbelievable. Oh my God, it's bucket. This is fucking crazy.
Oh, that's weird.
This is fucking crazy.
He really liked the tree.
I know, she really did. What the hell? Wait, we have to sing. Let's go. Shh, be quiet. Oh, shit!
Now you can escape me.
You really liked it.
No. You can't leave.
Jay? Can sing around Rosie. Ring around the rosy, pops and cozy. Ashes, all fall down. London Bridge is falling down. London Bridge is falling down. I thought you loved that song when on I can say.
This is some kind of game. Because it's not. This is life. This is life and yours is about to be over. I just want to taste your throat sound. True. You guys look delicious. Saving the boy for last.
Which boy? Me or him?
This one.
No, don't even touch
Don't fight me.
Okay, I'll kill you.
Won't hurt you.
It's adorable. Well, you hit a little adorable boy. It's only 6.
I don't have a life.
Okay, yes you do.
You said, I know you used to have a little brother, and you killed it when you was 10 years old.
Who are you?
Internet.
You don't know my family.
Internet.
Oh, I know your family. We were your brothers and sisters before. You've changed on us.
When you was 10 years old, you always chop doll baby's head off.
I was gonna touch the baby. The tree again? Really, I wish it.
Stop bringing spirit. Oh no. You have to get out. Jay, you're pointing freaking the wrong way. Never mind.
What? London!
I know, her name's Annabelle. Really? In real life?
No, in real life you gotta go, so let him go past.
Come on.
Don't touch him.
Come on.
You gotta really go.
Her name's Annabelle.
Annabelle, really.
Isabel, her name.
I don't want to hurt you.
Go
Go to the bathroom.
Cut. Run, Mark. Run.
Must be over. My voice is in my head. Thanks.
We're going to do it now. We're going to do it now. We're going to take a break in our hands.